Maraming customers yung second-hand list namin and marami rin ang tatanong paano yung warranty. So Hardware Sugar is just a bridge here. Yung actual sale is between the seller and the buyer. So yung warranty din between the seller and the buyer. Makikita mo yun sa notes dun sa second-hand parts list namin. But what's important is lahat ng terms upfront. When the buyer decides to get the second-hand item, alam niya ano yung mga warranty terms ni seller. Paano kung nasira kaagad yung second-hand part na binili? Actually, nangyari yun recently. To be clear, konting-konti lang yung mga second-hand items na dumaan sa list namin nasira. Many of our customers, and you can see na maraming return customers para dun sa second-hand items, keep coming back to the second-hand list kasi they find the ones who list there to be reliable. But nothing is 100%. Things do break down. Recently, a couple of months ago, two different items, PSU at GPU. Different sellers, different buyers. Pareho silang no warranty from the seller. Yung PSU, think mga 10 days ata, pero hindi nagamit kaagad ni buyer, so di niya na-test kaagad. Yung GPU, trinay kaagad, I think gumana for one night, and the next day, wala na. Based on the terms of their warranties, hindi na entitled for refund yung mga buyers. Kasi yung terms ng parehong sellers, no warranty. On our end, we also can't test all of the second-hand items that go out of the shop. We might test them occasionally in store, but there's a lag time between our testing and when it's actually bought. And a lot of viewers might think it's unfair na kakabili lang, nasira na kaagad. But that's really the risk that comes with buying second-hand items. You're getting them cheaper, so may corresponding risk. Yung mahalaga, malinaw sa buyer going into the transaction, ano ba yung mga terms ng warranty. Everybody who sells are Hardware Sugar customers. And like 98% of the time, Hardware Sugar customers are good people. So kinausap namin sila. Yung may-ari ng PSU, yung may-ari ng GPU, and we said, this is what happened, it broke right away. It's not your fault, it's not the buyer's fault. These things happen. Maybe as a gesture of good faith, you want to refund 50% of the purchase price. So I know, again, this might not make a lot of viewers happy, 50% and nasira kaagad. Assumption of risk. I think it was a very good gesture on the part of the sellers to agree to the 50%. The buyers, in fairness to them, malinaw din naman sa kanila na they were taking on that risk na baka masira when they bought these items na walang warranty. In a way, nobody's happy and that's the sign of a good compromise. I'm just kind of dreading the comments on this one, but being upfront. The sellers gave ground a little, the buyers gave ground a little. May common ground naman because all parties realize that yes, maaari talaga masira, malas na talaga na nasira, and that goes with the territory of buying second-hand parts. If you would like us, the shop, to start testing them, to be more thorough in inspecting the items, then we would need to start charging because that's manpower from us. Effort yun para sa amin, money out yun para sa amin. Kasi ngayon, walang kita, walang kaltas yung Hardware Sugar sa second-hand sales. All of the proceeds go to the seller.